Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover an accidentally deleted Chrome profile. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to press the Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Run dialog box on your computer, which allows you to quickly access specific folders and locations on your system. It's a handy shortcut that bypasses navigating through multiple folders manually. Once the Run dialog appears, type %sign local app data %sign \Google \Chrome / into the text field and click OK. This command takes you directly to the folder where Chrome stores all your user data, including your profiles. It's the central location where Chrome keeps everything related to your browsing experience, from bookmarks to settings. Now you should see a folder called User Data appear on your screen. This folder contains all the profile information that Chrome uses, and it's where your deleted profile data might still be recoverable. Right-click on the User Data folder to bring up a context menu with various options. From the menu that appears, click on Show More Options. This expands the menu to reveal additional features that aren't shown by default in Windows. It's an extra step needed in newer versions of Windows to access some of the more advanced file management tools. Next, look for and click on Restore Previous Version. This feature is incredibly useful because Windows automatically creates restore points and backups of your folders over time. It allows you to roll back to an earlier version of the folder when your profile was still intact and before it was accidentally deleted. A new window will open showing you a list of previous versions of the User Data folder. Click on the most recent previous version from the list. This version should contain your Chrome profile before it was deleted, giving you the best chance of recovering all your recent data, bookmarks, and settings. After selecting the previous version, click OK to confirm. Windows will now restore that earlier version of the folder, bringing back your deleted Chrome profile. You might need to wait a moment while the system processes this restoration, depending on the size of your profile data. And that's it. Your accidentally deleted Chrome profile should now be recovered and ready to use again. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.